The food was good. The food was delicious. Both sentences are correct. But which one sounds more interesting? Which one makes you actually feel something? That's the power of synonyms, and today, we're going to upgrade your vocabulary in just a few minutes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Plain Simple English. Tell me, do you find yourself using the same words over and over? Good. Bad. Nice. They work. They're not wrong. But they can make your English sound flat and repetitive. Today we're going to fix that. I'll give you better, more expressive words, synonyms, that mean the same thing, but sound so much richer. And I'll show you exactly when and how to use each one so you don't just memorize them, you actually use them. Before we begin, if you're finding these lessons helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. And a quick like on this video helps more learners find it for free. Now, let's upgrade your vocabulary. 1. Synonyms for good. Good is fine. But English gives you so many better options depending on the situation. Let's look at them one by one. Great. Use this when something is more than just good. It's a step above. That movie was great. I'd watch it again. You did a great job on that presentation. We had a great time at the party. Great is casual and energetic. You'll hear it in everyday conversation, all the time. Excellent. Use this when something meets a very high standard. It sounds more formal and impressive. Your English pronunciation is excellent. The service at that hotel was excellent. She got excellent marks in her exams. Excellent is perfect for professional situations, at work, in emails, or when giving someone a real compliment. Wonderful. Use this when something gives you a warm, happy feeling. It's more emotional than great. It's a wonderful day, let's go out. She gave a wonderful speech at the wedding. Thank you for this wonderful meal. Wonderful has a soft, heartfelt quality. Use it when you genuinely feel moved or touched. Fantastic. Use this when you're excited or impressed. It's energetic and enthusiastic. That concert was absolutely fantastic. You look fantastic in that outfit. The view from the top was fantastic. Outstanding. Use this when something goes beyond what was expected. It's the strongest of the group. His performance was outstanding, the best I've ever seen. She's an outstanding student. The results were outstanding. Let's say it together. Good is fine, but great, excellent, wonderful, fantastic, and outstanding say so much more. Number 2. Synonyms for bad. Now let's talk about words that express something negative. Because sometimes bad just doesn't cut it. Terrible. Use this when something is really, seriously bad. It's strong. The weather is terrible today. It hasn't stopped raining. That was a terrible mistake. I should have known better. I had a terrible headache all morning. Awful. Similar to terrible, but it often carries a sense of shock or disgust. The food at that place was awful. I couldn't finish it. It's an awful situation, and I feel so sorry for them. He's been in an awful mood all week. Horrible. Use this when something causes discomfort, or is deeply unpleasant. That horror movie was horrible. I couldn't sleep. She had a horrible experience at the airport. The traffic was horrible. I was stuck for 2 hours. Dreadful, a little more formal. Use it when something fills you with dread, or is shockingly bad. The reviews for that show were dreadful. I made a dreadful error in the report. The conditions were dreadful, cold, wet, and windy. Disappointing. Use this when something didn't meet your expectations. It's less intense, but very useful. The ending of that book was so disappointing. It was a disappointing result, after all that hard work. The service was really disappointing for such an expensive restaurant. Let's say it together. Bad works, but terrible, awful, horrible, dreadful, and disappointing paint a much clearer picture. Number 3. Synonyms for nice. Nice is one of the most overused words in English. Let's give it some real competition. Kind. Use this when someone is caring, generous, or considerate. She's such a kind person, always thinking of others. That was a very kind gesture. Thank you. He was kind enough to help me carry my bags. Friendly. Use this when someone is warm, approachable, and easy to talk to. Everyone in the office is so friendly. They gave us a really friendly welcome. The staff at that hotel were incredibly friendly. Pleasant. Use this for experiences, places, or people that give a calm, comfortable feeling. It was a pleasant evening, good food, good company. She has a pleasant way of speaking, very calm and clear. We had a pleasant walk along the river. Charming. Use this when someone or something has a special quality that attracts you. The old town was absolutely charming. He's a charming host, everyone felt welcome. What a charming little cafe. Delightful. Use this when something brings real joy and happiness. It's warm and enthusiastic. The kids put on a delightful little performance. It was a delightful surprise to see her there. The garden looked absolutely delightful in spring. Let's say it together. Nice is safe to use, but kind, friendly, pleasant, charming, and delightful actually describe what you mean. Here's a quick reference, your new word bank. Instead of good, use great, excellent, wonderful, fantastic, outstanding. Instead of bad, use terrible, awful, horrible, dreadful, disappointing. Instead of nice, use kind, friendly, pleasant, charming, delightful. Screenshot this. Write it down. Stick it somewhere you'll see it every day. Here's your challenge for today. Pick one word from each group, one for good, one for bad, one for nice. Now write 2 sentences using those words and share them in the comments below. I'll read every single one and tell you if you used them correctly. Remember, you don't have to use all of these words at once. Start with one new word today. Use it twice in conversation. Then add another one next week. That's how vocabulary actually grows. If this lesson helped you, please give it a like. It takes 1 second and it makes a huge difference for this channel. And subscribe if you haven't already, so you catch every new lesson as soon as it's out. Thank you so much for being here today. Your English is getting stronger with every lesson. I'll see you in the next one, and trust me, it's going to be fantastic. Not just good. Fantastic. Take care and keep going.